Okay, we're going to show you how we fixed some of these problems with the name tape frame. One of the things that we did was we changed to using a piece of tearaway, scrap tearaway, clamped on by the easy clamp, just like that, to hold it secure, and it keeps the ribbon from traveling. Okay, and I already have this centered for the design. So I'm going to start it. It's just 4 letters, the word long. What we did was that we added extra underlay. Originally I was just using a double zigzag. Now we're also using an edge run to smooth out the edges, and also increased our density to 90 from 96 on our settings. And this is using the block caps font from the Wilcom software. It seems that the techniques that we employed on this have reduced a great deal of the problem with the looping that we had and the travel, so that we're getting a cleaner lettering now. Something I'd actually even be willing to say, I did this. We're running at 500 stitches per minute. Okay, so here we have a finished label, or name tape I should say, and little cleanup that needs to be done on it.
The clips are all reusable, of course.
Yeah, you just load them into the back end of the dispenser, and they'll be all ready for us to use again. And I've never had one of the clips break, but you do get an extra box of clips with it, besides the ones that are loaded into the device when you get it. Okay, and so I just measure it so that it looks like the sewing is going to go underneath the
Now, why didn't you leave the bottom piece on there to just scoot this across it to the next one? Oh,
Because it's already torn out.
okay, because the backing is torn out.
I would need to put a new piece on there in order for it to be able to securely hold the product.
Okay, so we've tightened it up and ready for the next one.
Yes.
And we'll put the
And
next.
I'll demonstrate how the backing goes on. These are just cut off pieces from other projects that I've done. And I was keeping them to work with hats, lightweight stuff. But they came out as a good, productive item for this as well. And these clam clips are just so handy. I use them on the fast frames with the adhesive backing and on this also. Okay.
Ready for the next name.
And it's going to be, oh, let's see, I've already got that one in. I only needed 2 of those tapes. So I'm going to load my next name.
Ready for the next design.